Today we're making a beautiful vegetable soup. I don't know where you are in the world, but I know we're here in Melbourne. It's pretty cold at the moment, and this is going to go perfectly for lunch. So first, let's roast off some veg. This gives a far richer and sweeter flavour to the soup. I'm going to be using onions, leeks, cauliflower, sweet potato and carrots. Now, you can use any vegetables you like. It won't make any difference. Just try and have a nice mix. Roast for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I want to mix in 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of oil or butter. This is to make a beurre. Now, we've used this before in a lot of our videos, and there's a really good reason for that when it comes to this soup. When the veg is ready, it all goes into our pot. Add in about 2 litres of vegetable stock or chicken stock and get it onto the heat. This is why we use our beurre. Rather than the traditional way of making a soup, we make the roux, add in the vegetables and then add in the stock. We would then have to continuously keep stirring it. But by using a beurre, we can let these vegetables boil in the stock for many hours if we want, if we're very busy, and then come back at any point and thicken it with the beurre. Once there's liquid in the pot, the vegetables won't burn. Simmer the vegetables for about 20 minutes. Blend in a couple of spoonfuls of beurre with your stick blender until you get your desired thickness. Keep blending until it's completely smooth. Simmer for another 4 to 6 minutes. This is really important to cook out the soup so it doesn't have a floury taste from the beurre. I'm serving my soup with a little bit of sour cream, rocket, and a drizzle of olive oil just to finish it off.